Every guest floor in Banff Springs has its stories, but on this floor, one story stands out. A room that is no longer there. They say it is so haunted that the hotel bricked it off forever.
Now, I've been asked to spare certain details, certain names, and a certain floor. But I've been told that after that evening, and after the police emptied and released the room, no one else entered. So, how was it then that, according to legend, when the staff opened the door, they found a poem jotted down and left right by the door? And how is it that, still to this day, they say that he who wrote it can still be heard through that door?
According to legend, the missing room was the location of a terrible, terrible accident. Guests have reported hearing noises, restless spirits. The only solution they could think of was to seal off the door entirely. Yet, late at night, knocks are still heard where the door was.
Now, the poem did suit the hotel. Only Robert Service could speak to that location. There's a land where the mountains are nameless, and the rivers all run God knows where. There are lives that are erring and aimless, and deaths that just hang by a hair. There are hardships that nobody reckons. There are valleys unpeopled and still. There's a land, oh, it beckons and beckons, and I want to go back, and I will. Now, every hotel of this stature and past brings with it stories and events that evolve and grow, stories that don't match news reports, and stories that never will.
Now, to set the record straight, there is no knowledge of a crime in that room. Most likely, it was removed during renovations to make way for a larger suite. But that story stuck. It went from guest to guest, from employee to employee, and it became one of the Banff Springs Hotel's longest myths. So is the room really haunted? Probably not. But still, as you walk the hallways late at night, you might just feel it.